Good morning. Today I shall discuss time and tense. Time and tense is an essential part of grammar. First of all, I shall discuss what is time and then I shall discuss what is tense. Often enough people misunderstand time and tense to be similar, but the fact is that time and tense are different. Time is a universal concept. By tense, we understand the correspondence between our concept of time and the three divisions of verb. The concept of time is very old, whereas tense is a part of grammar. We have divided time according to our convenience. Tense is related to verb. We perform our action according to the concept of time, and that may be either present or past or future. So, it is crystal clear that time and tense both are different. Tense is divided into three categories, that is according to the concept of time. We do our action in the present time, and that is known as the present tense. We performed action during the past, that is past tense. Sometimes we complete an action in the future time, and that is known as future tense. So, present tense denotes an action that is done during the present time. Past time denotes an action that is done during the past, and the future tense is concerned with that action which we are going to do during future. Again, present tense is categorized into four parts. Similarly, past tense and future tense are also divided into four parts. They are simple present or present indefinite, present imperfect or present continuous or present progressive, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous. You must know what is simple present tense. I shall give you the different examples of present tense, past tense and future tense. For example, I get up early in the morning. This denotes a habitual action that is done in the present. It is present tense. I went to college yesterday. It denotes an action that was done during the past. It is supposed to be past tense. I shall go to Delhi next month. It denotes an action that will be done during future